I really hope they bring this back to next year because I really enjoy using this A6 planning forward book, but I did make a little change. I wanted to make a desktop calendar, so I glued some chipboard on the back of some of the kit paper, and I did it close together towards that seam so it would kind of act like it already has an elevation to it. Then I added another little bit of a prop, so if I wanted to write on it, it was nice and sturdy, along with this little extra triangle support. After cutting the booklet in half, I did punch 2 holes on each side, so it would be like one of those old school desk calendars with the rings in the middle. This time I decided to use some grommets and just line those holes so it's nice and neat, and then a couple of those keychains that are flexible steel. Now the calendar will be propped up on my desk, and on the bottom side, which I can flip out and write, I put the front and back covers for dates to remember.